A state appeals court has just ruled that Ohio's 6-week abortion ban is unconstitutional.
But dozens of other restrictions in that law are still being debated, and the court's ordered the Hamilton County judge to reevaluate.
Columbus Bureau reporter Morgan Trow explains the ruling and what's next.
Years of back and forth.
We are still in court, and we are still fighting these things.
And it doesn't look like it will end anytime soon.
The fact that our Attorney General is arguing against our Ohio Constitution in court is really something that the brain has a hard time wrapping its head around.
Ohioans overwhelmingly voted to protect access to abortion in 2023. Still, reproductive rights advocate Jamie Miracle is dealing with a handful of lawsuits, all related to abortion access. A state appeals court has just agreed that the state's 6-week ban, one without exceptions for rape or incest, is unconstitutional, but also ruled that Hamilton County Judge Kristen Jenkins went too far.
We want to keep whatever we can keep.
The state argued that Jenkins didn't follow the correct procedure to block other provisions in the law, like making it a felony to perform an abortion without checking cardiac activity, creating an avenue to sue for wrongful death, and allowing the state medical board to revoke doctors' licenses for abortions after 6 weeks.
All we're asking is that you follow the rule of law, the normal rules of the road that every plaintiff has to meet, versus creating this radical roadmap for everyone to strike down a lot of state laws.
Other major abortion restrictions in this law are already being blocked due to an overlapping court case in Columbus. So only minor aspects of the law would be put back into effect, like a provision on record keeping. Still, Miracle argues that voters clearly decided this issue, but she won't stop fighting until the other dozens of restrictions are overturned.
All of these restrictions block people from getting the care they need and should be removed because we have laws that ensure that health care is safe.
Eventually, these abortion cases will end up in the Ohio Supreme Court, which is why activists say that this November election is essential because 2 of those seats are up for grabs.
But Maureen, you say it's not just the court cases changing abortion laws.
No, it's not. Ohio Republican lawmakers continue to introduce legislation that would either outright ban abortion or it would make it harder to access, like stopping telehealth for the abortion pill. Activists tell me that they don't think that the Republicans will stop ever, and the GOP, they agree.
Morgan Trow live for us tonight in Columbus. Thank you.